All right, this is 624 Sirine Avenue. So when you walk in, you've got a set of stairs. To the right, you've got the kitchen and the dining area. You've got this little bench area next to the stairs. Off of the kitchen, there's this like ramp here. I'm not sure if there's something under it or why it was kind of built that way, but they've got living room down here. This maybe was a garage at some point that got converted. Washer and dryer, and then there's a door to the backyard. This right here is the air handler. Full bathroom. Handle's broken on that linen closet. Closet. And then there's this bedroom. So off of this room is this little area. Most people would use this as like a screened in porch, patio. They're using it for an office. They've got carpet down here. This detached garage here. Got this open space. Lots of storage. Looks like there's stairs to go up. So more storage up here. I mean, you could drywall that in and make it more usable. I would not keep carpet in this room. Just coming in and out of the house. It's gonna get pretty dirty. Up the stairs, there's 2 more rooms and then another full bathroom. So here's the second bathroom. They've got a window unit in this one. I mean, there is an air vent on the floor, so even without the window unit, I don't see why it wouldn't get cold enough up here. But they just like it extra cold in that room, I guess.